private rainforest escape overlooking the ocean, crafted for those who seek beauty, stillness, and space to exhale.
A peaceful rainforest hideaway, perfectly positioned just minutes from Ojochal's beaches, cafes, restaurants, and vibrant community life.
The home blends Mediterranean, colonial, and tropical designs with arches, columns, and ocean view terraces, designed for flawless indoor-outdoor living.
The central space opens into a combined living and dining area, with a gorgeous peninsular kitchen tucked into the home's round Mediterranean-style turret.
A separate spacious section of the ground floor includes 2 comfortable beds and a private bathroom, creating an ideal guest space or family sleeping area.
Nestled against the rising mountain ridge, the private jungle-immersed pool offers total seclusion and a breathtaking natural backdrop.
Upstairs, a spacious open layout includes 2 beds, a large bathroom, and plenty of storage. The space opens to a wrap-around balcony with majestic views.
This secluded, yet centrally located, architecturally stunning home surrounded by ocean, jungle, and mountain views is proudly presented by RE/MAX We Sell Paradise. Our agent Ben is ready to assist you or guide you on a personal tour of this exceptional property. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon in paradise.